even at her prom, some kids laughed at her.
Imagine Seat sneezing so much that your entire life becomes a nightmare. This young girl reportedly sneezed up to 120,000 times a day, but instead of getting sympathy, she was constantly bullied and laughed at for something she couldn't control. Every day was a battle as the endless sneezing affected her life, while others judged her without knowing what she was going through, and what happened next shocked everyone.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
I don't care what they do, I just wanted to stop. It's been going on for way too long.
So keep going, don't let people get her down.